Hi, I'm Sarah Veblen. I want to tell you just a little bit about my brand new video course, Fitting a Darted Bodice, because I'm really excited about getting this information that I know about fitting and pattern work into your hands. Having a well-fitted darted bodice is really kind of magical because it conforms to you. It doesn't restrict you in any way. You can move freely. And ultimately, it's so much you, like it belongs on you, that you kind of forget that you even have anything on. And being able to go about your day with such a comfortable garment helps you be more creative. It helps you think better. It helps you go about your day better. All of that is really super important to me in the grand scheme of things. And that's why I want to get this information to you. In this course, I cover basics, from how you put a muslin on somebody, how you pin a fitting change, how you transfer that change to the pattern, and how you make those pattern changes. But what I really focus in on is how I go about doing the fitting. You can see my hands working the fabric and manipulating it. You can hear me talk about what my eyes are seeing. And that's what's so important, because understanding what the fabric is doing is what lets you solve any and all fitting issues. It's not that you have to go look up something. What do I do for a full bust? I'm going to do this kind of pattern change. You simply start to read the fabric, and it will always tell you what it needs to have done to it so that it fits well. Now, it takes some experimentation, and that's something I show you too. I don't just show you the high points of me fitting a darted bodice. I show you me struggling to understand what the fabric is saying and experimenting to come up with the answer. To show you all of this, I fit myself, first of all, my dress form, and then have the mock-up on me. And I fit 3 other women who have very different body types from each other. I selected these women because they allowed me to show you really every fitting issue that I feel like I've ever encountered. But I'd never fit 2 of these gals before, so you see me in real time solving how to get a garment to fit them really well. This course has 8 different segments to it, and each of those 8 segments runs about an hour each, so it's loaded with information. And to make it easy for you to access where the different information is, each video is time-stamped, which allows you to reference where I am working on something, but also where I am showing different pattern work examples. My goal in producing this video course is to empower you. I want you to be able to figure out whatever fitting issues you encounter. And the beauty of my signature fitting method is it allows you to solve any and all fitting issues. In this course, I use a pattern that calls for a woven fabric, and that's what I do in the course. However, my methodology is completely applicable to knit fabrics as well. Once I have a pattern for a woven darted bodice, to me, it's just the biggest thing ever. It's my master pattern, and I can use it in lots and lots of other ways. For instance, what I have on is a knit, and it does not have side bust darts. It has princess lines, but my path was to go from my darted woven bodice, using that pattern, to a knit with a dart in it, and then designed from that pattern a knit with princess seams. The master pattern allows you to do many, many simple things as well as more complex things. That's the treasure of a master pattern. And I hope that this course helps you get yours and you're happy with it.